my external water spigot got damaged by using too much force, and so I ended up buying a replacement on Amazon, exact same fitment, and so I'm going to show you how to do that here in this video. So this is the handle I ended up purchasing on Amazon. There's going to be a link for it down in the description below, but very simple, the handle, and it comes with a screw, and this is going to match exactly what I have. Now this is the tool set that I always use when I am doing these types of projects. Really what I need is a flathead screwdriver, and that's what I'm going to end up using for this project. So the first thing I'm going to do is really just take out that one screw. This is not a difficult project. This is not a difficult replacement. It's very inexpensive to do. If you feel that when you turn your water spigot handle, if you feel that when you're turning it, there's a little bit of a bend or there's a little bit of a stretch that's happening, or you're overextending that turn, then you may want to do this, because this could really end up helping you. My water was not fully shutting off because of this, and so there was drippage happening because of that. So this is a pretty major issue to solve, but really inexpensively and easy and simple. So this is the replacement part. Simply take off the old water spigot handle and put on this new one. Make sure it fits right in place. There is a specific way to put it on. But as soon as you feel that it's snugly fit on there and you can turn the water on and off like this, then you can go ahead and screw it in. Very simple. This actually is a Phillips head screw, so I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. So I really hope this video ended up being helpful. Remember the product links that are down in the description below. One for the toolkit that I use, and you'll really find use for that all throughout your house, and also for the spigot handle. Those two links will be down in the description below. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.